I heard y'all don't know how to make lemon pepper wings. Well, you gonna learn today. Start with clean and dried chicken wing portions. This is for the butter seasonings. It's 1 1/4 lemon pepper seasoning and a teaspoon of parsley. Put that aside. In a different container, you need your 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika. I use smoked paprika, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to sprinkle that all on your chicken, and you're going to get intimate with it, and you're going to rub it all in there. Make sure it's all over. And it may seem like a little bit of seasoning, but don't worry, because the lemon pepper seasoning that we add at the end in the butter sauce is salty, so you don't need a lot of salt at this step. Trust the process. But rub that on all on there, get that on good, and go to your air fryer. And my air fryer has settings for chicken. It says 375 for 12 minutes, and then flip it and 400 for 10 minutes. So that's how I'm gonna do it. And usually that's how it come out right for me. Sometimes I might have to go a couple of more minutes at the end, but for the most part, that's how I do it. And you don't want your chicken or any meat or anything you cook in an air fryer to be all up on each other. It can be touching a little bit, but you don't want it on top of each other. It'll never come out crispy like that. It'll always be a mush ball, and it won't cook even. It's an air fryer, so air needs to get all around. Ooh, I'm sorry. Whatever y'all cooking. Well, damn. So we get those in there. Let those cook for those first 12 minutes. Then we'll get to the flipping part. And that's coming. That's just me showing you, trying to show you the temperature. So yeah, right here is where I flip them over. And I'm going to go, like I said, another 10 minutes. And you'll see what they look like at the end. So this is the end, and the sound is turned off, but I wanted you to hear the little crispiness sound. But anyway, you see it. And one thing about it, chicken is fatty. It will make grease. So between each batch, because you're going to need more than one batch to cook this, you want to pour this grease out. You don't want to ever cook in an air fryer with grease in it, oil in there. So that's my butter sauce all mixed up. And I just put my chicken in a bowl and shake it. And bam, there you go. The air fryer lemon pepper wings. And I also made some ranch seasoning, some homemade ranch with that Hidden Valley spicy ranch seasonings. And I think I'm going to show it to you. But anyway, I just used the recipe that's on the back. The recipe, it give you like a dip recipe and a dressing recipe. I kind of mix both because I use milk and sour cream and mayonnaise in mine and put it in there. And that's the consistency I get. But I don't know. It's very, 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 very good. Oh, and I add a little garlic powder. And we about to try it out. Let's see my reaction. Let's see. Not too salty. Perfect flavor. Perfect crunch. Good shit. And I say, leave them right in this bowl. And shake it up when you're ready for some more. And put them in the air fryer a few more minutes. And they'll be just like new again. Okay. Holla.